Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your ZOLO Liberty Plus earbuds. So to do this, you have to remove the left and the right earbud from this charging case, then just grab it like that and click and hold on the left and the right touch sensor. Just hold it and wait until this indicators just blinks. Right now they are turned off. So let's repeat. When they are turned off, just click and hold. There we go. As you can see, they blinks purple. So right now when I'm gonna turn them on back, this connection actually will not work anymore. So when I click on it once, I will get like new pairing request instead of be connected normally. So yeah, that's the hard reset of these earbuds, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.